Manchester United lose again yesterday to Manchester City. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, bloody whistle, fam. Let's go. Listen, I didn't see the game yesterday. I know. I'm a Manchester United fan. I should be watching the games. But you never watch the game either. But still, different situation, different day. But Manchester United lost. And today, we will talk about one thing that I noticed that nobody else is talking about. No, you can talk about game review and how the game went well, how the game didn't go well, how Manchester United was shit, Bruno was crap, they need to play Kobe, you need to blame Amarim. Yes, I heard all of that. I've listened to all of that today. What I noticed today, what I've been noticed throughout this entire 10 years that Manchester United has not played well. Whenever Manchester United lose, the next day, you get a plethora of news coming out of Manchester United. Oh, the players are not like, Amarim, like football. Oh, Bruno Fernandes doesn't really like he's playing deep. He wants to go further up. Oh, why is Kobe not playing in the team? And I'm going to say this now, as Manchester United fans, don't listen to none of them Bumble Parry. Do not listen to none of those fuckers, fam. Every day, every time Manchester United lose, you remember me telling you they're coming out with a plethora of bad news. Where, you know this from 2 weeks ago. How can you just have to it out now? You know this from a while ago. How come you are just now saying this? Or you just find out after Manchester United lose, you get linked them last night and tell us you tell it today? Or is it that you knew from a week ago, 2 weeks ago, but just wait till Manchester United lose, so you come and say, oh, Bruno Fernandes is not really liking how he plays deep in Manchester United midfield. He wants to play further up, even though Bruno Fernandes is playing number 8 for Portugal all along. I cannot understand. And they always say, some Manchester United fans are not liking how Ruben Amorim is picking the team. Some Manchester United fans this, some Manchester United fans that. They keep on seeing leaks. Why after every time Manchester United lose, there's a bunch of leaks. I know we don't win a lot lately, but after last win against Burnley, what was the argument? They couldn't say Ruben is losing the team. What they said, Manchester United is struggling against Burnley. The same Burnley that Liverpool struggled against last game. But no, Liverpool won brilliantly as their champions. Manchester United struggled last game against Burnley. What I'm saying is this, fam. I'm going to say this once. I'm going to say this only one time. The English media needs Manchester United. EPL needs Manchester United. We as fans need Manchester United to play well. They need Manchester United to struggle so they can write stories after stories. And when they write stories, they got a bunch of people looking at them, negative and positive. Haters, lovers, looking at them and they just keep saying it over and over. Fam, as Manchester United fans, focus on Manchester United. Do not take news from the media. Don't take news from Fabrizio because I'm a part of it too. Focus on Manchester United, bro. Focus on how we can improve our team. Leave the haters out there because I can tell you right now, them fuckers, bro. Them bumble, bro. Ruben Amorim, fix it, bro. Figure out a way to get Kobe Mainoo into this damn team. Because Kobe Mainoo is the key. I didn't see the game, but I'm looking at my Twitter for and listen, man. Bring Kobe Mainoo into this team, bro. People, best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.